So the ability to nest condition clauses is very powerful and lets you create these highly dynamic help systems where, for example, you might have different help for, say, an administrator who logs on versus someone who is logged on in, say, a managerial role or something like that. So different help depending on the role of the user who is currently logged on. So let's go ahead now and actually see how this works. So I'm going to go ahead now and close this and then start the application server and then launch this page in the browser. So at this point, neither session variable var1 is not defined at all. So when I press the button, you can see none of the conditional text appears. So now I'm going to go here to the URL and define session var1 equals alpha. And now when I pop up the help, you can see there's the text for var1 equals alpha. And now I'm going to go here and type in beta. And now when I click this, you can see that the help now shows the conditional text for beta. So this is demonstrating how the text that is displayed in the help window can be controlled through conditional expressions. So next we're going to go and look at how you can actually execute UDFs and return the result of the UDF as part of the text of the help window. So in order to demonstrate that, first I'm going to go over to properties and then go to XBasic function declarations, which is over here, and I'm going to define a new function, and this function will return some dynamic text that we would like to appear in the help window. So you can see here that in the XBasic declarations, I've gone ahead and I've defined a very simple function just to demonstrate the functionality. So I've defined a function called myUDF. This function has to have a prototype that takes E as an argument. So when this function executes, this object E gets passed in, and it contains request.variables and session variables and the grid definition and basically a whole bunch of useful information. But the important point now is that I'm going to call this UDF when the function text is fetched on the server. So let's just go here and copy the UDF name to the clipboard. So I'll go there now, and now let's go back to the help for the first name field and open up the help text back into our editor now. And then over here I'm gonna go here and insert a execute function directive and pass in the name of the function, which is control v myUDF. So now what's going to happen is when the help text is displayed, this directive over here is going to be replaced by the result of the call to this myUDF function. So let's go ahead now, click OK, click OK over there, save that, go to working preview and open up the help. So you can see here in our help window there is this is the text now that was returned by the UDF. So this is some bold text here, this is some dynamic text that was computed on the server, and then the current date on time is this. So the ability to call your own UDFs when the help text is displayed is enormously powerful, because you can create extremely dynamic help systems. So let's pause now and pick it up in the next and final video, in which we'll look at how you can now also use help windows in your Action JavaScript. So we'll pick it up now in the next video.